Samsung has been known for introducing impressive features only to remove them later, but now one of its most exciting camera technologies might be making a return with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Recent leaks suggest that Samsung could bring back variable aperture technology, a feature that allows the camera to adjust its aperture size depending on lighting conditions. Well-known tipster Ice Universe claims that this feature will be exclusive to the main rear camera, making it a major upgrade for photography enthusiasts. Interestingly, while brands like Huawei and Xiaomi have recently incorporated variable aperture into their flagship devices, Samsung was actually ahead of the curve. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus introduced dual aperture technology back in 2018, letting the camera switch between f1.5 and f2.4 settings. The wider f1.5 aperture helped capture better little light shots by allowing more light in, while the f2.4 aperture provided sharper details in well-lit environments. Samsung continued this feature in the Galaxy S10 series, but eventually removed it in the Galaxy S20 lineup. Now, it looks like they're bringing it back, and it could be better than ever. A key question remains, will the Galaxy S26 Ultra feature a true variable aperture system, like those found in professional DSLR cameras, offering multiple aperture levels, or will it be a refined version of the dual aperture system seen in older Samsung models? Xiaomi has already introduced a fully variable aperture in its latest Xiaomi 14 Ultra, so Samsung might need to go the extra mile to remain competitive. If they manage to pull it off, this could be a game-changing addition for smartphone photography. Besides this camera upgrade, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to bring several other improvements. Reports suggest that the 3x optical zoom telephoto camera will be upgraded with a 50-megapixel sensor, enhancing zoom performance. This continues Samsung's trend of upgrading its camera hardware. First, the Galaxy S24 Ultra brought a 50-megapixel sensor for the 5x zoom camera, followed by the Galaxy S25 Ultra improving the ultra-wide lens to 50 megapixels. With these steady upgrades, Samsung is making sure its flagship phones stay ahead in mobile photography. Another exciting possibility is the introduction of a next-generation silicon carbon battery with a massive 5,500 mAh capacity. If true, this would be a major improvement in battery life, addressing a common concern among smartphone users. Coupled with a more power-efficient display, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could offer significantly better battery performance, making it a strong choice for users who need long-lasting power. With all these potential enhancements, Samsung's upcoming flagship is shaping up to be a serious competitor in the high-end smartphone market. It will likely go head-to-head with Apple's iPhone 17 and even the rumored iPhone 18. Interestingly, leaks suggest that Apple may introduce variable aperture in the iPhone 18 Pro models. If that happens, Samsung's decision to bring back this technology could be a strategic move to stay ahead in the camera game. While it's still early, leaks and rumors about the S26 series are already gaining traction, even though the Galaxy S25 lineup was just released. Another major question remains, will Samsung continue with Qualcomm chipsets or will they bring back Exynos processors in certain regions? Samsung's chipset strategy has been unpredictable in the past, so this will be something to watch closely as more details emerge. One thing is certain, Samsung is paying attention to what users want and revisiting features that made its devices unique. If the variable aperture truly returns, it could mark a big step forward for smartphone photography. With mobile cameras becoming increasingly advanced and AI-powered, this could be the perfect time for Samsung to reintroduce this technology. Do you think variable aperture will make a noticeable difference in smartphone photography? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest Samsung news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.